Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Miguel's View. Let's talk about our watch list for Money Monday. Let's get started. All right guys, welcome back. I hope you had an amazing weekend and you are ready to trade tomorrow for Money Monday. Anyways, you know, the SPY, we closed very weak on Friday. We closed with this flat top here with massive volume, red volume, momentum coming to the downside. Now this is of concern here because if we come here to the daily, we are breaking below this uptrend we had going on here on the daily, and that's something I spoke to to the members that we have on our growing Discord channel, and you can see we're going right under, and if we form another candle here tomorrow below here, all right, this is going to be looking very bearish to the downside until potentially we hit this area of support on 419, 420. All right, so we also have this downtrend, so we can literally come all the way down up to here. All right, in the coming days, and maybe from here, you know, we can get a bounce up, but no telling what the market's gonna do. Nobody knows. If somebody tells you, they're lying. Nobody ever knows where the market's going, so we kind of play it a day at a time. I do know though, if we do break below this trend, is that we have more downside. Okay, so let's see, tomorrow we can maybe, you know, get the next candle to stay above this uptrend. So we don't know yet we're gonna see what tomorrow brings, but it does look like a red day is coming, but you just don't know. Usually with this is a big candle, oh, sorry about that, and this is my Heikin-Ashi candle system. Again, if you're not familiar with it, it's a system that works very well for me, and just the color candles just means that we're below EMAs or above the stack EMAs. Again, on intraday, I don't have these colored candles like this. And but anyways, flat top, red volume. You know, we can get a bounce, so we'll see tomorrow. But again, my bias again tomorrow is that we're gonna have more red to come. But we'll see. Let's look at the weekly here, because this is interesting on the weekly. See, on the weekly we have room to about this. Again, 420, 415 area. You see how last time we respected this EMA here and we bounced right off of it. So this is the area where you know, we can get a bounce, or at this time we're gonna finally crack. So that is yet to be seen. Let's go to the daily here, I mean to the 1 hour here, and this is the 1 hour, guys, and we had a flag here on Friday forming. All these little things, these little white lines that you see, those are intraday trades as well that we did in the Discord room. But anyways, you see this flag here, and I alerted this on pre-market to the group. I'm like, this is bearish. I gave some profit targets to go short on this if we broke to the downside. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you really quick. This is the two things I was looking at. My main watches here on Friday. Does it show a time? Yeah, 8:25. And what time did I post this one? I guess they were almost back to back. So here we have 8:25. I said SPY flag in 1 hour chart. If we break to the upside, looking to the touch of the upper trend line, for a rejection flag. If it breaks to the downside, price target 433 or 428, and you can see here. So I was saying, if we break to the upside, okay, this is gonna be the point of rejection. If we break this flag to the downside right off the go, this is gonna be the profit targets, okay, to go in. And so eventually, when we broke down to the downside, then we hit our targets. You can see here, we hit the 433. And then we hit the 428, and it even went lower than that. So that's why you see all these lines here. On Tesla, I also showed. Oh man, did I close it? Yeah, I closed the Discord. Let me see if I find it. Firefox. Oh, that's because I normally don't have it on this computer. I have it on my Discord. I have it on my iPad where I normally give the alerts. Oh gosh, Discord. No, and it locked me out. Did it lock me out? No, there it is. Sorry about that. And then again, Tesla is at the 1 hour chart looking for a break to the downside, 997 and 973. Oh, we're not on Tesla yet, but I'll show you how that trade went. Anyways, this is the 1 hour. We broke the trend. We went heavily to the downside, and it's looking pretty weak. So great puts on SPY. Not only do I give those alerts, guys, but we also trade on voice. Yeah, Roberto just comment Lambo. And so we trade live on voice, and we do our trades live when we go in a position and we take profits. So you want to join us, the link's down below. But anyways, let's look at the QQQ. Let's look at the weekly. Again, weekly looking very bearish. You see last week we closed in a flat top with red volume, momentum to the downside. Again, more downside right there. And so that's the beauty about using Heikin candles. If you don't know how to use them, look at my past videos. Or if you want to get more in detail, where I do one-on-one lessons. If you're part of my group, I show you how to intraday trade them. So they're very effective and very easy. But here's the daily, guys. We closed Friday with a flat top with red volume to the bottom. So QQQ has room to run to this 317 area. You can see here previous support, and so that's what we can potentially maybe get a bounce there. But that's what we're looking for on QQQ. Let's see. Now let's move on to our friend Tesla here, and let's look at the weekly. Again, weekly indecision doji candle. Again, Tesla is looking pretty strong here. That's why it held pretty well on Friday. Momentum is to the downside. We did finish green, probably because of that earnings that boosted it up. If we go to the daily, kind of consolidating here, we did close red. Momentum wants to shift to the downside, but it's holding this consolidation. We'll see what it does with the market tomorrow. If we go to the 1 hour, again, Tesla, this was one of the plays that we alerted, and it hit just first target. It didn't quite hit the second target, but that's where we take profits as we hit targets and put a stop loss on our entry. So we go back here. I said Tesla 1 hour chart looking for a break to the downside with price target 997, which you see here, and we hit 997, and we actually went to 994. Okay, so we could go here intraday to the right here at the open. You can see we just went straight down. Let's get even closer here. Let's do 5 minutes. Where are we? They're here at 8:30. All right, we went straight down to 994, and then we got a nice big bounce. All right, so we hit PT, and that's why we take profits, and I teach that strategy on taking profits when we hit targets, and just put a stop loss on your entry and write the rest. If it stops you out, you get out green no matter what. If you hit your second target, then you take most of our profit and write a few or just lock it all in. Anyways, we go over the strategies on the group. But there's Tesla holding up, consolidating there. So we'll see what this week brings. But again, intraday, a lot of ways to make money. They're up or down. Okay, a lot of volatility. All right, something to watch tomorrow, guys. It's gonna be Twitter. I believe there's tweets and news going around that Elon Musk could finalize a deal this week with Twitter. I don't know all the details, but again, we did close the daily here with green volume and a flat bottom. Okay, so that signals bullish. Again, if we go to the intraday, all right, look at this, right? Form a wedge here, broke to the upside. With that news, trending, this thing can go and probably hit this highs and probably break it, maybe 60s. We'll see. So there's going to be a lot of volatility on Twitter, and so we'll be ready tomorrow, see what happens. That means that you can also watch DWAG, okay, maybe for some downside on DWAG. And then that's pretty much it, guys. Also, let's watch really quick NVIDIA. NVIDIA's at a very important point here on the daily. Oh, actually we broke it. I didn't even see this Friday. Okay, so I was watching these levels on NVIDIA for potential bounce, but no, going to the bottom against red volume. Yeah, so potentially now NVIDIA, we could go to around this area right here before we can get a bounce. So watch NVIDIA and AMD. Again, NVIDIA, AMD long term. So some dips around these areas, all right, for long term. Not financial advice, would be great. I definitely will be adding in these areas if we get there for some long term shares, not option contracts. All right, so let's watch AMD. AMD 2 broke this 100 psychological level, also support. And if we come to the 70s area, be nice for NVIDIA. Last time we got a 72 back over here about a year ago. Back in May, 72.50. So you can see we double bottom there. Get some, and then what else? And Microsoft's the last one we're gonna watch. All right, so Microsoft, I have an alert here. Let's bring it a little bit more down. And so you see this trend here. Every time we hit it, we've been bouncing off. So again, Microsoft, this is the level that I'm looking at for a potential bounce to the upside. 263. All right, so watch that for Microsoft. Again, the market's looking very red. Unless something comes up tomorrow, some type of good news, we could have some type of bounce. But again, we're gonna have a lot of rejection on the upside. So back to the SPY really quick. Yeah, so SPY, all right, if we continue to go downside, we could potentially come back over here and then reject to the downside. All right, so something to keep an eye on. And we have a green day tomorrow. So all sorts of possibilities that can happen, and we're just watching for something to form so we can execute. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. Shout out to one of our members, Roberto, who's tuning in. He's killing it. Started with a small account challenge of $500. He's near 5K in just a few weeks, guys, using the
high kinetic strategy. If you want to learn it, join our group. Very, very affordable. I've just click on the link below, and yeah, we'll go on Voice Live and we trade live. And if you can't go live, you just you know, watch the charts that we put up, and if it fits your criteria, then you trade. But on live, I do explain what are we looking at, why we took the trade, why it's a good trade, why it's a bad trade, and so break down all the details live on Voice, and you can definitely learn a lot. And so yeah, Roberto has been killing it, and he's watching right now. So again, guys, if you want to do that, join us. Click on the link down below and join our growing community on Discord. So other than that, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Stay blessed, and I hope you kill it tomorrow. And if you want to join us, we'll see you on the other side. All right. Bye-bye. Adios.